Hey, it's Andrea. If you're hearing my voice right now, it's because you were once part of something special, our Evolution Travel family. I still remember how excited you were when you first started getting your travel agent certification done so you could start booking trips and getting travel perks and discounts. The joy of starting something new and becoming part of our Evolution Travel family. You mattered then and you still matter now. Life happens. Maybe you needed time. Maybe things shifted. And that's okay. Truly. But here's the beautiful part, you can always come home. Right now, you can reinstate your Evolution Travel business for just $49.99. And the moment you do, you're earning instant commission with our Evo Plus platform. Travel is thriving, people are booking, dreaming, exploring, and there's room for you in all of it. Your seat's still here, waiting for you to jump back in. Just go to myevolutiontravel.com to get started. Your travel agent ID number is in the email that came with this video. We've missed you, your voice, your spark, your story, and honestly, the best part of your journey is still ahead. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at 202-600-6866. If I don't answer, please leave a message and I will get back to you. You can also check out my website, travelagentclass.com, to see what I've been working on to share this affordable opportunity with others. I look forward to having you back in our travel family.